Alright, listen up. If you're here thinking, oh wow, another person quitting Unity, what a surprise. Well, congrats, you're exactly right, I am. But before you get all judgy about it, let me explain why. Spoiler, it's probably not what you're thinking. Plus, you're gonna want to stick around, because I've got a 100-day challenge that's going to blow your mind. Or at least be mildly entertaining. Either way, you're here now, so stop scrolling. Let's cut the Unity was kicking my butt, and not in a fun way. I've spent more time copying code from ChatGPT than actually learning anything. Yeah, I see you nodding, like,
That's me too.
guess what? That's why we both suck at it. I was basically a human photocopier. Control-C, Control-V, and hope for the best. If that's you, you might as well hit subscribe, because you're ready. Anyway, I'm taking a break from Unity before my brain explodes. You know that feeling, when you pretend to understand something just to get through it? Yeah, I was deep in that. Now here's the part where you roll your eyes.
RPG Maker, isn't that for beginners?
First of all, yes. And guess what? That's exactly what I need right now. I'm not trying to be a coding ninja. I just want to make some cool stuff without feeling like I'm having a breakdown. So just to prove a point, I literally made this in about 30 minutes more or less. And if I can do that in 30 minutes, I'm sure you guys can do it in 5. Look at that masterpiece. I'll give that a solid $50. Yep.
Sure, but
RPG Maker lets me do that. If you think that's lame, cool. Go ahead and judge me. But still, better than wasting hours pretending I know what I'm doing in Unity. Okay, this is the part where things get fun, or frustrating, depending on your outlook. I'm starting a 100-day challenge on Aseprite, and here's the deal. I'll be making a new character animation every single day for 10 days. After that, I'm going to go back and actually improve them. You guys can name the characters though, so if you pick something dumb, that's on you. What the fuck? Why am I doing this? Because getting better means pushing yourself. And I figured, what better way than having all of you roast my progress. Before you ask, no, I'm not going to make the same character 100 times. That's just sad. I'll mix it up. Each time, I revisit the character. Right? I revisit the character.
okay.
So I'll make them better. If one's a fire wizard, you bet that fireball's going to turn into something awesome. Or it'll just be bigger. Whatever. We're improving. You might think, won't this get old after a while? Well, stick around and find out. Or don't, I'm still doing it, so you will miss out on all the greatness. Oh, and by the way, if you thought I was going to shove gaming content down your throat on this channel, think again. I made a whole new channel for that. So yeah, you're welcome. If you like indie horror games and watching me freak out, go subscribe. If not, then what are you doing here? Either way, don't worry. This channel is going to stay focused on the game dev and animation side. So what's next? Oh, you think I'm going to spoil everything here? Yeah, no.
Naughty, you teasing me, you naughty.
You'll just have to stick around and find out. I'm not here to hold your hand through this process. Get ready to watch me become the next pixel art prodigy, or fail spectacularly. Either way, it's going to be entertaining. Will I survive the 100-day challenge? Will I end up crying over my laptop? Who knows? That's for the future me to figure out, and for you to laugh at. By the way, you've probably still got questions, like, what about the RPG Maker stuff? What happens when you finally stop sucking at Unity? Don't worry, I'll get to all of that, and you won't want to miss it. Now hit that subscribe button. If you don't, well, you're probably going to regret it later, when I blow up. That's on you. But don't take my word for it. Stick around and watch it all happen. Or don't. Either way, I'm doing it. What are you still waiting for? Hit that subscribe.